Yes, children, good morning.
Good morning.
Which kind of notice did we do yesterday? Tell me.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. We did lost and found. You remember which notice we did yesterday?
Lost or found.
Lost and found. Speak loudly. Which notice we did?
Lost and found notice.
Yes, that is it. So we have done 3 notices now. 3 types we have done. First is a notice for a meeting. We have done this. Second type of notice that we did was notice for event, that is competition or celebration, something like this. And the third one, which I did yesterday, was notice for lost or found. Now I'm moving on to the fourth type of notice. Okay, Utkarsh, I marked you present. Maybe there's some problem in your mic. I got your message. Notice for seminar, workshop, debates. Okay, see this. Who is organizing? Who can attend? Subject of the seminar, duration of the program. Who is the chief guest or the speaker? What date, time, what instructions, and the contact person. I'm reading the question. You are Vikram, school captain of Meerut Public School, Shastri Market, Varanasi. Write a notice informing the students of class 12th about a guest lecture by Mr. Rajiv. And who is Mr. Rajiv? He is an environmentalist. And the topic is going to be conservation of water. What is the topic?
Conservation of water.
Yes. Contact person and all, we are going to see who is going to be the contact person. This is the fourth type of notice that we are doing. Okay, 3 we have already done. Let's see this. Meerut Public School, Shastri Market, Varanasi. This we had already learned yesterday. But this has to be written in bold letters. There should be a comma. This comma is not needed here. And this Shastri Market is not needed, children. You should simply write Meerut Public School, comma, Varanasi. That is it. No need to write Shastri Market. Address should never come over here. Let me go back and show you yesterday what we did. This was the correct way of writing. This is a big school name actually. See this. This is the perfect way of writing. Swami Vivekanand Public School, comma, Delhi. No need to write the address over here. No, it's no point writing. So this is also perfect. Vanasthali Public School, comma, Ludhiana. Here you should have written only Meerut Public School, comma, Varanasi. This is not needed. Shastri Market. We don't write all this. Then notice 31st October. This date is perfectly written. The subject or the heading is guest lecture by environmentalist. All the students of class 12th are informed that there will be a guest lecture on conservation of water by renowned environmentalist Mr. Rajiv on the coming Saturday, that is 3rd November, in the school auditorium, 10 a.m. to 11:30. Attendance of class 12 students is mandatory. For more information, contact the undersigned Vikram school captain. Okay. Now, who is organizing it? Let's answer these questions now. Name the body who is organizing it.
Meerut Public School,
Meerut
Varanasi.
Public School, Varanasi.
Very good. Very good. Who can attend?
Class 12.
Class 12.
Good. What is the subject of the seminar?
Conservation of water.
Very good. Conservation of water. What is the duration of the program?
10:30 to 11:30.
Very good. 10:30 to 11. Who is the speaker?
Mr. Raj.
Ma'am, we could,
Mr.
Okay.
Raj.
What is the date? What is the date?
31st
November.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, in what is the different thing, ma'am, जो हम पहले कर रहे थे जो अब इस वाले notice में?
Beta, this is a notice for a seminar. Okay. First we did lost and found. Dekho, there are different notices, no? First one was what, children? See the difference? Let me tell you once again. This was a notice for a meeting. If there is a meeting, as it is, बेटा क्या क्या लिखना होता है बस वो चेंज हो जाता है. For a meeting, who has been called, date and time, venue, details of the people who have to come for the meeting. Meeting में क्या agenda रहेगा, what will be discussed. So what has to be written changes on the type of notice. So here it is a seminar. Seminar में कोई बाहर से guest आएगा जो कि meeting में नहीं आ रहा था. There was a meeting for internal house captains or students, but here we have a guest of honor speaker over here. Date, हाँ बच्चे, I was asking you what the date of the seminar. What is the date?
3rd November.
Yes, it is 3rd November. See, the notice is given on 31st October, but the event is on 3rd November. Any specific instructions in this? Tell me, any specific instruction? There is one instruction. Tell me
Class
what is
to
it?
Not more than 50.
Attendance of
Attendance
class.
compulsory.
Yes, very, very good. Who is the contact person?
School captain.
Vikram.
School captain.
And his designation is school captain. Contact person is Vikram. His designation is at least a school captain. So this is a notice for a seminar. Actually, let me go back first. We've done all the 4 types of notices that I had planned. I'm going to have a quick revision. See, we have 6 types of notices in our syllabus. First is notice for meeting, which is done. Notice for competition, done. Notice for lost or found, done. Notice for seminar, we are doing today. Then we'll be left with 2 types of notice. Notice for appeal or warning, and notice for change of name, residence, or company. These 2 are left. First 4 are done, but before I do this, a quick revision of what we have done. What are the points to be kept in mind? Okay. What are the points to be kept in mind, children? How many of you have a notebook with you?
Ma'am, I have.
Yes, very good if you have. So let's write today. We've not written anything. The 6 type of notice in our syllabus. Please put on the heading first. Notice writing, today's date, and types of notice. 2 minutes I'm giving. Please write down these 6 types of notice. No need to write everything. Just write types of notice. Number 1, meeting. Number 2, competition. Number 3, lost and found. Number 4, seminar. Number 5, appeal. And number 6, change of name and residence. Again and again, there's no need to write notice, notice, notice. 6 types of notices we have in our syllabus. Write and post on the group the 6 types that we have. Then I'll explain once again what are the points to be kept in mind, and each type of notice I'll be taking up a quick revision with you so that the last 2 which are left can be done in the coming 2 days and the notice writing is done. Hurry up, children, write 6 types of notice in your syllabus.
Ma'am, in copy we have to write.
Yes, Peter. Put on the heading notice writing, put today's date, then write types of notice. Number 1, meeting. पूरा ये नहीं लिखना है, just write number 1, meeting. Number 2, competition. Number 3,
Ma'am,
lost or
first we
found.
have to write. Ma'am, first we have to write notice, then type of notice.
Yes, the heading is notice and put today's date, then write types of notice. We have 6 types of notice in our syllabus. How many types we have revised? 4. How many we have done, children? 4. But since you've not written anything, so you'll be blank later also. It is no point. So quickly write the 6 types of notices that we have and let me know once you're done. Post it on the group as well. Please hurry up, otherwise you'll become blank. This is a writing class.
I'm done.
Just post on the group, beta. Are we posted?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about others? Devansh finished writing? Those who are writing, have you written?
1 minute.
Hmm. I'm just seeing what Arohi has written. Then we'll go back. Good. Abhinav, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm waiting. Ishan?
Yes,
Like
ma'am,
always.
going to finish.
Anji, beta, I'm waiting. I want it on the groups. कोई फायदा नहीं है if you people don't note down the important things. You'll get mixed up in all the 6 types of notices. Mansi, बच्चे, are you writing? Mansi?
Done, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta, post on the group quickly. Mansi is a regular student. She attends her bio classes very regularly. Good. Pratik? Pratik Pandey, are you writing? Mansi, Shimail,
Yes, ma'am.
Sunil, very regular students. Very good. Please post on the group. Hurry up. 6 types of notices. Should I scroll down if you people have finished writing? Or you want me to wait?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll be revising notice for meeting. Okay. Put on the next heading, type 1, notice for meeting. Next
Ma'am,
heading would
one
be
minute.
type 1. First type of notice, and that is notice meeting. Notice for a meeting. Make a box, write this notice. No need to write the question. No need to write the requirement. Just write this notice for a meeting. This notice as it is. Okay. If you want, you can change your language a little. Only one suggestion, children. Can you see this line for further details? This you start from a new line. For example, it is finished here. Now come here in the next line and write this. For further details, please contact the undersigned. This is which kind of a notice? Type 1. Type 1 is what notice? Notice for what?
Meeting.
Meeting. Beta 1 type also, if you will note down, you will not have a problem later in revising. Just make a box and write this notice quickly. Post on the groups.
मैम ऊपर का भी लिखना था.
Beta question नहीं लिखना है. Have you written the 6 type of notices? ऊपर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now simply this heading you write. Notice for meeting. Type 1, notice for meeting. Only this. There are 6 types of
Should we leave a line after name of the school?
Yes, beta. Please leave a line. If you can see the space over here, then notice. And one thing, be very careful. This th na line पे ही लिखना. Some people ऊपर लिख देते हैं इसको as a power. Don't write that. th6 के साथ it has to be written on the line only. Be careful. So this is type 1 notice. Notice for a meeting. Which kind of a notice is this?
Notice of a meeting.
Yes, we have already discussed this, but if you don't write, it is no use. Otherwise, I'll finish all the 6 type of notices, and when you'll sit to revise, you'll get mixed up.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta, I'm listening. Speak.
Ma'am, may you tell that आपने इससे पहले क्या क्या करवा दी? थोड़ा मैं चेक कर लूंगा. मुझे लग रहा है मेरा काम इनकम्प्लीट है.
क्या क्या? What have you done? Tell me. What all have you done?
Ma'am,
We did formal and informal invitations and replies.
मैम
करा
उससे
है वो?
पहले तो कुछ नहीं है. Yes, मैम वो तो करा है.
Formal, informal, दोनों. Invitations also, replies also.
Yes, ma'am.
So, ठीक है फिर. That's okay. And we did reading those pie charts and all, bar graph, pie chart.
Yes, ma'am.
That is what done. I'll revise, don't worry. UTC pehle I'll take a revision again. We have done two things. We've done formal, informal invitations and replies, and we've done reading charts, bar graphs, pie charts, writing about them. Finish writing this soon so that we can move further, children. Once you have written and you're posting on the group, now inform me so that I can check. Devang, this is type 1, huh? Which type is this?
Yes, ma'am.
Type 1.
Notice for
Yes, beta. Notice for what?
meeting.
Very good. Whoever finishes writing picture, post and let me know. Yes, beta. Who's finished? Okay, post on the group. Raise your hand, those who've done, so that I can keep checking. How many types of notice are there in your syllabus?
6.
6. The first one we are revising is a notice for?
Meeting.
What is the first thing we write on the top in bold capital letters?
Name of the organization. Name of the organization.
Very good. Name of the organization, comma, name of the city. Learn it like this so you never forget. What is the first line you'll be writing?
Name of the organization and the city.
And put a comma after the organization, then notice, then date, and then the subject. What all points you will keep in mind when you're writing a notice for meeting, children? What all should be included in a notice?
But
Yes. Very good. What else?
who is going to attend the meeting and when is the meeting?
Who is going to attend? When is the meeting? What else has to be informed?
Where is the meeting?
Very good. Where is the meeting? And if you have to give any specific details, then you have to inform that as well. Good. There was one special instruction in this notice. What was it?
They have to come with ideas.
Yes, they have to come with.
Estimated cost.
Yes, बच्चे. Finished writing?
1 minute.
Okay. Take 1 minute.
I'm posted.
Very good. Let me check. So type 1 notice is what we have done. Vivansh, can we go down if you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. One more we'll do today, that is notice for events. Competition or celebration. Just write competition, celebration. No need to write so much. Write type 2 notice for events. In the bracket, write competition or celebration. Only this much.
Notice
is-
for competition and celebration.
Yes, we call them as events. So the heading would be what? Notice for
Events.
events. It could be a competition, it could be a celebration, Children's Day celebration, Teachers' Day celebration, anything. Or it could be a competition. So both will come under the same category. Which type is this we are doing?
Type
Type 2.
second
Yes, very good. What was type 1 notice for?
meeting.
Yes. Now this is type 2. This is notice for
Events.
events. Okay. It could be a celebration or it could be a competition. This is the last thing for today, bacha. Take this. Let's write this as a sample for type 2. Quickly. 2 we'll do today. Whenever you get time, open your notebooks, see them. You'll feel confident of writing these types of notices. 2 only we are writing today.
Ma'am, this whole we have to write, no?
Yes, beta, the type 2 in the box. Whoever
Ma'am,
finishes, yes, beta.
Ma'am, after notice that we have to leave line to write the date.
On the left side, yes. Come on the left side, leave a line, then again leave a line, put this heading. See, when you write the subject of the notice, children, be very careful that only the first letter should be capital. Just say inter, only I capital, house, only H capital. Dramatics, only D, and for competition, only C has to be capital. Here, everything has to be capital letters. But here, only the first letter has to be capital. These small things you'll understand and observe once you write beta. This is which type of notice that we are doing? Type?
2.
Very good. What was the type that we had done in type 1? We were writing notice for what?
Meeting.
And after we do this event, we'll discuss how this is different from the others. I'm checking beta on the group. This 2 minutes. I'll just go through it.
Ma'am, I have also done. May I post?
Beta, just 1 second. I'll just check on the group that you have posted.
I'm posted.
Anyone else who has posted?
Yes, ma'am, I have posted.
So how many types of notices are these? Two types.
Two.
Okay, now let us discuss as to what were the important things which were included in this notice. Type 2. Just match with this. What all details are mentioned here? Are they given in the notice or not? Please match with this notice. Then we'll discuss it. Ready to answer? Who is organizing? Acha, this too I had done with you. Let me move on. Peter Divanshu, finish the second one. Should I go back to the first one for a second?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Children, this please answer now. Who has called the meeting?
Swami Vivekanand Public School.
Yes, Peter. Now date and time for this.
6th December.
Okay. Time is what?
10:30 a.m.
Fine. What is the venue?
Biology lab.
Yes. Purpose of the meeting or the agenda of the meeting?
Activities for celebration.
Yes, celebration of Christmas Day. Who has to attend the meeting?
Activity council members.
Activity coordinator.
Yes. Activity council members have to attend the meeting. Any specific instructions?
They should come with their ideas and estimated cost.
For further details, who is the contact person?
Abhishek.
Abhishek, activity coordinator.
Abhishek.
Yes, and his designation is that he is the activity coordinator. Second one I had already discussed with you. Okay, we have time, still 5 minutes. We can finish type 3 also today. Write down the next heading, type 3, lost or found. Lost or found. And we'll write this, that's it. So type 3 notice are done. 3 types of notices we'll finish writing. Then 4th, 5th, 6th will finish. Then we'll have a revision also.
Ma'am,
Better letter to the editor, have you written? Have you practiced or not yet?
no, ma'am.
No. Chal, that's a 5 marks composition. I'll do it with you later. First, let's finish these short compositions. Invitations, replies, and notice writing. This is lost and found notice. This is lost one. Quickly write it, post it. We have 2 types, beta, lost and found. This is which one, lost or found?
Lost.
There are 2 things you need to keep in mind. If you find something, you will write found heading, not lost. Second, never say founder. Founder will be awarded. What should we write? Whoever finds it or the person who finds it. Never write the word founder. And another thing, when you find something, never give the details of the thing. If you will describe, then anyone will come and say that, yes, it is mine. These are the
Excuse me,
basic
ma'am.
differences. Yes, Bache.
Ma'am, find notice, ma'am, that found notice, ma'am, what we have to write?
See, beta, in place of lost, you can simply say found. I have found supposing I'm doing this one only. So I'll write found hall ticket. I have found a hall ticket for the board examination in the school playground during lunchtime. That's it. We will not give the details. So anyone who has lost it can contact me and take it from me by giving the necessary details and information. Okay. You can contact me in class so and so or inform at the reception. I'll make you write one
Okay.
found also. Don't worry. First you do
तो
lost
मैम
and I'll
सम अप
help you in
कैसे करना है
writing
फिर?
found.
सम अप कैसे करना है?
बेटा सम अप ऐसे ही करेंगे कि कहाँ पे कांटेक्ट करेंगे आपको? ओके, प्लीज कांटेक्ट मी इन क्लास सो एंड सो और कांटेक्ट द स्कूल रिसेप्शन. रिवॉर्ड देने का तो कोई मतलब नहीं है बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी रिटर्निंग व्हाट यू हैव फाउंड. सो रिवॉर्ड तो यू विल नॉट गिव ना. सो दिस लाइन विल नॉट कम. Don't worry, आज
Okay.
lost वाला you write, I'll help you in writing found tomorrow. We'll write one for found also. As of now, just practice lost. Devansh Pitayi, tell me one difference between a lost and a found notice while writing.
Ma'am, in the place of lost, we have to write found, and in lost notice, we have to give the full detail, but in found notice, we do not have to give the details.
Very good. And why don't we give details?
If we will give the detail, then anyone can can be say that it is mine. We will
Yes,
not
very
get the
a real person, no, who has lost. There'll be a lot of confusion.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Let's finish writing lost. I'll make you write found tomorrow.